The statue wars are only getting uglier. Maharashtra government's proposal to build the tallest statue of Shivaji in Mumbai is clearly posing as a major counter to Narendra Modi's pet project of building the Statue of Unity, which is already touted to be the tallest statue in the world. Now, with the clash of egos getting the better of our politicians, the question is, will petty politics cease before it really gets too late?
So how tall is the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue going to be, and ahead of elections, if it is indeed going to be the tallest, is there some kind of competition with the Sardar Patel statue that they claim at 182 meters will be the tallest?
It will be the tallest statue.
With these words, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra sparking off a war of words over the proposal to construct a giant Shivaji statue in the Arabian Sea.
नर्मदा के तट पर एक ऐतिहासिक घटना, एक नए इतिहास का, एक नए संकल्प का शिलान्यास हो रहा है.
Maharashtra government's move coming just days after Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for his dream project. A 182 meters mega statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, touted as the tallest statue in the world.
Now we are going to invite international bids. Detailed designs and costing will come later. This is only the concept plans have been readied in order to apply to the Ministry of Environment and Forest.
The state cabinet having allocated rupees 100 crore for installation of a statue of the revered warrior king of Maharashtra, setting the ground for statue wars between the BJP and Congress.
This type of politics divides. This type of statements hurts the sentiment of a people who are committed to one India. I mean, no issues, you make it, but why then say that it will be taller than Sardar Patel?
That for the first time they have thought to make something on the name of other than Nehru Gandhi family. But I am feeling pain that they got this idea after almost remaining 10 years in power.
The Maharashtra government's move being seen as a challenge to Modi's Statue of Unity, drawing severe criticism from the opposition.
The statue wars is certainly not about the devotion towards these two legends, but just about scoring some brownie points in the political arena. In Mumbai with Nilesh, Megha Prasad for Times Now.